Hey guys, so I've had this question a few times. How do I turn this image into a sketch for things like memorials or if we're engraving in leather or anything you really want to engrave this into, but you want the person to look as though they were sketched or the pet or the family. So what we're going to do, it's really simple. We're going to go into our photo once we've imported it and we're going to right click and we are just going to go to adjust image. In this adjust image panel, we have the option under image mode to go to sketch. Now, as you can see, that doesn't look the best, but what people miss when they're doing this is what we need to play with first, or what we need to adjust first, is going to be our enhanced radius and enhanced amount. What that's going to do is tell Lightburn to go into this photograph and find all the black pixels and pull them into lines that will show the image better. So let me show you this. I'm going to turn this enhanced radius up to like 10, and then I'm going to really crank this guy up to like 250. Right? And now you can see I really have a lot more lines, but let's take some of this, what I call chatter, out of here. So we can kind of back those down some. We can increase some of the other details or decrease the details, however we like. And go back up to, let's make this super, super detailed. Okay. You can see all the lines in my face. You can see all my freckles, it looks like. And then I can go over here and then start adjusting my contrast, which adds a little bit more if I go up. So really I'm going to do like, let's say -10. And it's going to be more about playing with these. Now that you've got your enhanced radius, it's going to be about playing with these little by little. If you've ever taken any of my other classes, I will always tell you, do small incremental adjustments when you're working with brightness, contrast, and gamma, because you can lose a lot of detail very quickly using these. So let's just, let's actually go up on the brightness just a hair, starting to pull out some of the lines in my collar of my sweater. There's that original photo. I think it's a pretty good likeness, and I can just go and start adjusting, pulling some of the gray tones out. That's what our gamma does, is plays with those gray tones that are in there. I can add those a little deeper. And I can continue to just play with this until I get it to the place that I want it, and then we can do a few test runs on the engraving side and see what happens. So if I do this and I hit OK, you can see that this is like blown this image way out, but when it engraves, let me do an Alt-P to preview. This is what it's going to look like when it engraves. So we're always going to Alt-P to preview, right? That way we know what it's going to look like. But once we've got this, we can go back in and adjust a little bit more, but that's really where the powerhouse of it is. If I go in here and just trace this image, it's going to take so much more work than just going into that image adjustment and making it that way. So I hope that helps someone today, and I look forward to seeing you guys more.